In today's video, I am going to explain in details how you can earn $2,057 per month with Livegood without ever recruiting anyone. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. I invite you to take a look at the compensation plan of Livegood. The second option to make money is called Matrix Commissions. With this option, you will be able to earn 2.50% commissions from the membership of all the people that are in your matrix. And you have the ability to earn up to $2,057 per month without ever recruiting a single person. New members are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there, following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. That's why you need to lock your position in the matrix as soon as possible. Now I'm going to take you to my dashboard and show you my matrix. Here's a member that I recruited in January, a member from England. Since he joined my team, he has not recruited a single person. Now let's take a look at his matrix. As you can see, he has hundreds of members below him in his matrix. These are people that my team members and I have recruited. He will be making 2.5% commission every month on each of these people. And when his matrix fills up, he's going to make $2,057 per month. $2,057 per month without ever recruiting a single person. That is why it is crucial to be on a good team. If he is able to recruit few people, he can make a lot more money than that. Now, the big question that everyone wants to know is, how long will it take for your matrix to fill up? Well, it can take 6 months, it can take a year, or it can take 2 years. It all depends on the people that you will have in your matrix. For example, if you have a leader in your matrix that is able to recruit a lot of people, it will take less time. Let's take the worst case scenario. Let's say it takes 2 years for your matrix to fill up. In 2 years, you will have spent $240 in membership fees to make $2,057 per month. I'm sure that if we ask anyone to spend $240 to make $2,057 per month in 2 years, everybody would do it. It is almost impossible to fail with Livegood. The only way to fail with Livegood is giving up too early, giving up before your matrix fill up. Livegood is the fastest growing network marketing company of 2023. The company already has more than 130,000 members in only 3 months, and it is predicted to reach 1 million members before the end of the year. This is the easiest way you will find on the internet to make money at the moment. If you fail with Livegood, it would be hard for you to succeed with anything else. So, if you haven't done it yet, click on the link below this video and sign up today. And after you sign up, you will receive an email from me showing all the strategies that my team and I are using to recruit hundreds of people each month.